Backing up your laptop is one of the smartest ways to protect important files, photos, and documents from accidental loss or system failure. Using a fast external drive like the Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD makes the process quick and reliable thanks to its high-speed data transfer and durable design. Whether you're safeguarding work files, personal media, or a full system backup, this portable SSD provides a convenient way to store copies of your data. With just a few simple steps, you can create a secure backup and keep your information protected. Try these. Step 1. Connect the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD to your laptop using the USB-C or USB adapter cable. Step 2. Wait for your computer to detect the external drive and open it through File Explorer or Finder. Step 3. Create a new folder on the SSD to organize your backup files. Step 4. Select the important files or folders on your laptop and copy them to the SSD drive. Step 5. Once the transfer finishes, safely eject the SSD to ensure all data is saved properly.